Dearly beloved, we are gathered here today to witness the delicious matrimony of two of my favorite cakes. The Boston cream pie and the chocolate mousse cake have decided to tie the knot. Check out the Boston mousse cake, another epic building on recipes project. And I've already baked my cake layers ahead of time. The vanilla cake is an easy one bowl mix where I simply pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and that's it. And the same goes for my best recipe for vegan chocolate cake. And if you wanted to take a closer look at both of these recipes, they each have a full-length video tutorial for how to mix. So be sure to click the links below and watch more of my videos so that you too can become the best vegan baker ever. So let's get going on this building on recipes project, and once your cakes are baked and cooled, we can get to making the vanilla custard, which is the Boston cream pie filling. So I've got my plant milk, sugar, and cornstarch with a pinch of turmeric for some color, and that's going to get boiled up. Once it comes to a boil, I add the vegan butter and the vanilla. And at this point, we have to start to work fast because I am building the cake with the chocolate mousse inside too. So let that custard sit aside while we get the chocolate mousse mixed up. I've got my vegan chocolate melted, courtesy of Olive Nation today. For the best vegan couverture chocolate for all your recipes, be sure to check out Olive Nation and get 20% discount off your order just for watching my video. All the links are below and on my website. Alright, so I'm adding coffee to the melted chocolate, and that's been boiled up with some agar as an additional stabilizer for the mousse. Whisk all that together for a beautiful silky mousse base. And now I'm adding in my aquafaba meringue, and this adds the lightness and airiness to a mousse recipe. Last goes the vegan whipped cream, and I'm simply using the coconut fat from a can of refrigerated coconut milk. It's a perfect option for vegan whipped cream, but as always, I write so many options for ingredient substitutions on my website in case you can't get the same things that I'm using. All right, now that both fillings are ready, let's build this cake. I am using a ring of chocolate buttercream to hold everything in place as this cake sets, and this mousse and the custard both need a few hours in the refrigerator so that it can all set up and get really cold and firm before we can finish this cake. have it, a beautiful marriage of my two favorite cakes. The Boston Mousse cake is sure to impress at your next gathering. Vegan or not, you are going to flip over this cake. So head over to Gretchen'sVeganBakery.com to grab all the recipes. And thanks so much to everyone for watching. And until next time, happy vegan baking. Bye for now.